Hello, my name is Kuku Mulyanto, born 210101023, Management Study Program, Faculty of the Economic and Social Sciences Humanities in Insan University, Lubuk Linggau. I will be presenting a journal title, The Effect of Work Stress and Work Discipline on Employers' Performance with Motivation as a moderation variable at the Regional Financial and Asset Management Agency of North Musirawas Regency. Recent background. The Regional Financial and Asset Management Agency of North Musirawas Regency is one of the regional apparatus work units in the North Musirawas Regency, confirmed as an institute that carries out local government affairs in the financial sector and is responsible for regional financial management. The Regional Financial and Asset Management Agency of North Musirawas Regency is led by the head of the agency, who is located below, and is responsible to the regional secretariat. The performance of employees at PPKD directly has an impact on the effectiveness and efficiency of regional financial management within the will of implementation for the well-work of the community. For in carrying out the reducing PPKD player of often affect various challenges that can affect their form. Work stress is the feeling of pressure of reading expenses that employers experience in affecting work, including unstable emotion, feeling of unities, loneliness, difficulty sleeping, excessive smoking, unable to relax, anxious, tension, and indication in addition to work stress. Work discipline can also be said to be an effort to improve employer performance. Work discipline is a starting point for all success in order to achieve the goals of an organization. Motivation can generate the motivation to work better due to the need to meet efficient level of net from employers resulting in different level of motivation to active. Problem formulation. Based on the background and problem to be studied is of the effect of for stress on employer perform at the regional financial and asset management agency on of North Musirawas Agency. Problem limitation. The limitation carried ought be the auditor are more direct and not different from the problem discussed and can reset the reg inclusion. So the auditor limited the problem in the results that are only related to work stress and work discipline. Two players perform with motivation and moderation variable in the regional financial and asset management agency or agency of North Musirawas Regency. Research objective. The purpose of study is to determine the influence of work on employer perform at the regional financial and asset management agency of North Musirawas Regency. Recent benefits, the expected benefit of the study are follow. Theoretical benefit. This research is expected to expand Kansas horizon exploration the field of human resource management, especially in studies related to work stress and employee performance. In addition, the result is expected to be useful for author research. Particle benefit perform research aspect the useful on the research is line or work stress and is influencer on employer perform as input to the regional review financial asset management of North Musirawas Agency. Hypothesis. Hawan. The tree is an effect of work stress employer perform at the regional financial asset management agency of North Musirawas Agency. 2. The influencer of work discipline on employer perform at the regional financial and asset management agency of North Musirawas Agency. 3. The tree is an effect of work stress on employees perform with motivation as moderation variable at the regional financial and asset management agency of North Musirawas Agency. The, for, the effect of work discipline on employer perform with motivation as a moderation variable at the regional financial and asset management agency of North Musirawas Agency. The effect of work stress and work discipline on employee perform with motivation as moderation variable in the regional financial and asset management agency North Musirawas Agency. Data sources. Primary data is not collected directly by research from the regional sources are include all group with all going through intermediation. Primary data is usually observation, observation review, survey, experiment, observation, or focus group induction activity. Secondary data is hot that does not directly provide data to data collector, for example, through or paper or document. Data analysis method. Evaluation, evaluation of measurement model, external model, yaitu convergent validity, discriminatory validity, reliability test, structural model evaluation, inner model, hypothesis testing, bootstrapping. Result next. Out, output underloading. After Boeing modification 1 to me limiting or dropping on Latin variables that are valid or do not meet the validity convergence regression to that the variable financial met the convergent validity regression extended the 0.7 validity external. Based on the table, average is not that the AV value of the work stress variable as an alpha value of 0.644 for work discipline as alpha value of 0.617. Employers perform the cost of value of 0.597 and motivation as alpha value of 0.61607. What the value of the three variable is creating that 0.5 to the alpha value in the study first rate to have good experiment validity. Composite reliability. The estimated result of table of 3, 6, 4. So at the complexity reliability value for all the Latin variable or condition is above 0.7, thus it can be concluded that all variables of good assets according to the required minimal value limited, where the composite variability value must be greater than 0.7 for convergence asset and 0.607 is considered for exploitation research. Unlike alpha, the ultimate result of table 4, 6, 4 show that the correct alpha value for all latent variable or condition is above of 0.6. Thus, it can be concluded that all conditions have good relations according to the regular minimum value limit, while the composite reliability value must be greater at 0.7 for confirmatory result and a value of 0.607 is acceptable for exploratory research. Arioino. The effect was stress on employer perform at the regional financial and asset management agency North Musiraos Regency. The statistic value of the effect of work stress and employee perform is 3.379 on the value can be sent to be 0.0323. The original value of the sample of 0.427 while show the reduction of the influence of work stress on employer perform is significant. Thus, the hypothesis that 3 is significant effect of work stress on employer perform. Hypothesis 1 is acceptable. The evolution of work discipline on employer perform at the regional financial and asset management agency, North Musirawas Regency. The statistic value of the influence of work discipline on employer performance is 202.169. On the p-value can be seen as 0.030. The original sample value of 0.348 would show the direction of the influence of work discipline on employer perform is significant. Thus, the hypothesis that 3 a significant influence of work discipline on employer perform hypothesis 2 can be accepted. The effect work stress and work discipline on employer perform at the regional financial at asset management agency, not Musirawas agency. The F test score is status set to 1.5 in addition of value of 0.000 also met the standard because it is smaller than 0.05, so it can be include test and work discipline have a significant effect on employer perform. Those hypothesis 3 is accepted. The effect of work discipline on employer perform with motivation as moderation variable at the regional financial and asset management agency, North Musirawas Regency. The test statistic value of the influence of work discipline and employer perform with motivation as a moderation variable is 2.136, or it can be seen that the value is 0.015. The original sample value of around 0.414 was show the direction of the influence of work discipline on employer perform with motivation as moderation variable is significant. Thus, the hypothesis that 3 is a significant influencer or of work stress and work discipline on employer perform hypothesis 4 is acceptable. The effect of work stress on employer perform what motivation as a moderation variable at the regional financial an asset management agency, not Mushiraw's agency. The statistic value of the effect of work stress on employee perform while motivation as a moderation variable is 2.642, or the p-value can be seen to be 0.015. The regional value of the sample of 0.414 with which show the direction of the influencer of work stress on employee perform what motivation as a moderation variable is significant. Thus, the hypothesis that tree is an influence of work stress on employee perform what motivation as a moderation variable significant hypothesis phi is acceptable. Thank you.